Okay, we're going to look at timing. Timing's a very important part of playing an instrument because it enables you to work with different instruments, such as, for example, a drummer, a percussionist, people that are basically working with rhythm, and you need to feel comfortable to lock into that. And we're going to work on the same two chords, the A major and the B minor. And I've got a couple of examples of things that I actually want to do with you today in order for you to feel comfortable working with timing and rhythm. I've actually set up on the computer just a basic drum loop, and we're going to use the two chords and we're going to work on different rhythms around the same timing. So I'll give you an example. One, two, three, four. I'm just giving it one strike at the moment. Now. See how I'm locking in? Yeah. So that gives you a basic example of how I've worked with a 4-beat rhythm, very, very simple, and that could be at any tempo. And you need to feel comfortable in order to be able to work within that framework, especially working with a drummer. And it's very, very vital that you work on developing that. So let's listen to the drum beat again, and I'm just going to give you some examples of the easiest way I find to get used to rhythm. You can either tap your feet, which a lot of people do. I mean, I sometimes do that myself, just to kind of get used to the feel of the pace. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the A. I'm trying to keep in with the rhythm all the time. If I move up again. Back to the A. And to finish, back to the A. Yeah? So there you go. Your first lesson in timing. Very important. And one of the things that I've learned over the years with timing is how you can manipulate timing. So I was basically playing just a straight 4-bar. 4. Change. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah? But then I could still hear the timing and actually not use 4 strikes to a bar. I could actually use less if I wanted to. For example, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if we do that to the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Just straight. Still keeping in the time and still keeping the 1, 2, 3, 4 in my head. And then do the 4 beats to the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keeping up with the beat all the time. And we can double up again. See, just keep it going. And finish off. Like so. Yeah? Cool. Right, so hopefully you've got to grips with that. And it's something that I'd love you to spend quite a bit of time on, because it does take a little time getting used to it. But it's almost a bit like the penny drops after a while. Once you start doing 1, 2, and it does feel a bit monotonous, I must admit. But guaranteed, if you concentrate and spend a little time on it, you will find that you will develop so much quicker on getting used to playing in time. Okay? So that's the area that we're actually covering today. And I do hope that you do spend time, you know, practicing and getting used to that. All right? Okay. Thank you.